Look at this. What is that? Oh, so cute. Vamos ver se uma cute. Yeah, but yeah. Imagine. Look at that. That is absolutely stunning. Look, and there's like an old building over there.
This way. That way.
Look at that. Can you even see you guys? You guys, I'm gonna cry. I don't know when I'm gonna upload this vlog. This is my third one. I'm editing my second one right now. I just uploaded like for the first time in like 2 years, and like you guys are literally so nice. Like I'm literally trying not to cry. Like that literally like made like a newfound motivation for me. Like it's one thing to you want like to make videos, right? Like when other people like respond and like enjoy your videos, like it literally like makes you so motivated, and I appreciate it so much. Like I'm so glad you guys actually like enjoyed it, and I'm glad I made it because, you know, I think I talked about it earlier. I was like, I genuinely like I'm enjoying making these videos like a lot, and just like being able to why am I out of breath? Being able like I was like scared, like the thing that was like holding me back from making vlogs was like, what if people are gonna see this from my school, or like people are gonna think I'm weird or something. Like genuinely, like I like nobody cares, to be honest. And like that's literally like I literally like stopped caring because like I want to say like God like directly spoke to me to like start my YouTube channel, but like I kept seeing like Christian like YouTubers that, and I enjoy their content like a lot, and I was like, if I can do that for other people, just make them like motivate them, make them happy, like even like help people get closer to God, maybe, like that's amazing. So, you know, I'm not very good at like ministering to others or like stuff like that, but if I'm able to like help anyone by like making vlogs and like talking about my life, then that's just like amazing. So yeah. I'm so scared there's someone here. Okay, hey guys, I haven't been here in so long. Like, I actually love this place so much. I haven't walked this much in ages. But I came here to finish a book, hopefully. Which, let's be honest, I probably won't because I'm literally like the slowest reader ever. And yeah, I want to do some sketches in my sketchbook as well. But yeah, I'll show you guys what I brought. Guys, I literally just lost the SIM card for my camera. Like, what? The SIM card or the memory thing. I don't know where it is. Maybe I'm just dumb in it. I don't know. And these sketches. No. I genuinely, I've been having like a lot of fun doing life drawing, and I wanted to like improve my like drawing plants and like flowers and everything, because I'm not that good. Like the only thing I can like kind of draw is like people, and that's because I've been drawing like people like 10 years or something, like my whole life basically. Yeah, also brought snacks because gotta survive somehow. Wait, the train is here. Oh my, wait a sec. Oh my gosh, you can barely see it. Gosh, guys.
It's private, eh?
Look how nice that is. Gosh, there's like a river up there. Ciao, beaucoup de...
Japonesa, irlandesa.
For like dresses. So nice. Hey guys, you know what this means. It's the end of the video. I was looking back on all the clips that I filmed, and like these past few weeks, I was just like so grateful for like how like beautiful this world is. And like sometimes we forget that we have so many things to be grateful for. Like I understand like everyone goes through like tough times and like things that like get them so like bogged down, and that like we get distracted from the things that are like actually important, and from the things that are actually like that are blessings to our life. And yeah, that reminded me of Psalm 8. I just wanted to read it to you guys. O Lord, our Lord, how majestic is your name in all the earth. You have set your glory above the heavens. From the lips of children and infants, you have ordained praise because of your enemies, to silence the foe and the avenger. When I consider your heavens, the work of your fingers, the moon and the stars which you have set in place, what is man that you are mindful of him, the son of man that you care for him? You made him a little lower than the heavenly beings, and crowned him with glory and honor. You made him ruler over the works of your hands, and put everything under his feet, and all flocks and herds, and the beasts of the field, the birds of the air, and the fish of the sea, all that swim the paths of the seas. O Lord, our Lord, how majestic is your name in all the earth. This is Psalm 8, and there's actually like a Keith Green song that is literally just, the lyrics are just Psalm 8, and I think that song really helped me memorize some like parts of the psalm. But it like every time, especially like every time I read this and every time I listen to that song, it makes me realize how many things God gave us. And like every time, like, because like all these vlogs, like this vlog is literally just me going outside, I realized like there's so many things around us that are so beautiful, and that are literally like their works, like they were created by God. Like that is insane to me. And we're literally like walking through God's creation, and we forget to be thankful for the things. We forget to observe those things and like meditate on them. And yeah, it just made me really think about that. I was looking through those videos and I was like, this earth is so beautiful. Like so many things to admire. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I just hope you have a blessed weekend, you guys. Thank you so much. Bye.